Right, morning everyone. Hope you're having a good week 5. This week's lesson is all about skills, and we're going to be looking to teach you a skill that you might not be able to do and one you think that might be quite difficult. And it is relatively difficult until you get the hang of it, like all skills. It's a complex skill, which means it's got multiple moving parts and involves hand-eye coordination and coordination. It's a skill that is continuous, i.e. you can't see a definite beginning, middle or end. It just keeps going. All right. It's one that we can break down though into what we would call subroutines, and the subroutines are actually based on pretty simple motor programs or skills. So we're going to start off, and the skill we're going to do today is obviously we're going to teach you how to juggle, which is exciting. So you don't need balls. You can use socks, bits of paper, fruit if your mum and dad don't mind you bruising the hell out of them. But obviously tennis balls are easiest, or small balls that fit in the hand. Okay, so we're going to start off. The first way of doing it is just with one ball. We're going to call this ball A. Okay, and all you're going to do is you're going to start with it in your dominant hand. So my dominant hand is my right hand, and all you're going to do is you're going to look to throw it. We imagine in between our hands an X, like X Factor. Okay, and you're just going to throw the ball on the line of half of that X. So it literally just goes up and into your left hand, and then it goes back the other way, up and into your left hand on that X, and you just then bounce the ball between your hands. That is the foundational or foundational motor program. It's a pretty simple motor program, one that you will have been learned to be able to do since you were little toddlers. Okay, so that is stage 1, just A, going hand to hand, hand to hand, hand to hand. Easy. Okay, so the next bit we're going to introduce B. So A and B. A goes in your right hand, B goes in your left hand. And this time, as A goes up on that X trajectory, when it gets to almost the top of its trajectory, B gets thrown underneath it on the other side of the X. So we should have something like this. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay? What you don't want to do is pass the other one under your hand. So you don't want to do that. That is not juggling. That's just passing the ball under your hand. So A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Easy peasy, someone might say. So you've just got to watch one and catch the other. Okay? So there should always be one up in the air, and you're catching the other one underneath. Now, once you get quite good at that, it should feel like there is a lag on your right hand here. Here, okay? So it should feel like there should be another ball ready to go, and that is where we're going to introduce C. Hi, C. So A starts in your right hand, or your dominant hand, B and C start in your left hand, and then what you're looking to do is go A, B, C, A, B, C. There should always be one ball floating around here when the next one goes. So if it goes a little bit like this, fingers crossed I don't drop it. A, B, whoa, hang on, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. And once you get into a rhythm, you're not actually looking at the balls in your hand that are being caught, you're just looking at where the trajectory of the ball is in the air, so you can predict where your hands need to be to catch the balls. Now, it might take you a little bit of practice, but we'd love you to send in your tries at doing it and inventive ways of juggling. Okay, cool.